Here's proof that you really can have the body you've always dreamed about. It's fast, it's easy, and it doesn't take months and months of painful exercise in a sweaty gym. Introducing Subliminal Health and Fitness. What makes us different? Because 90% of the time, anyone who views the scientifically produced videos that we've prepared for you to see immediately gets results without working out. And you'll feel relaxed and love more deeply than ever before. Listen, we don't doubt your skepticism, so we're giving you a free download so you can see for yourself. You see, we've been producing the most effective, scientifically proven subliminal message videos on the planet for nearly 20 years. In fact, here's just a portion of what you discover in the 6-video package you're about to access. How to instantly become the fitness enthusiast you've always wanted to be. How to get a head-turning, sexy body that you've always wanted. How to become a leader and a happier person that everyone craves to be near. How to lose weight almost instantly and forget about food forever. How to always feel relaxed, confident, and stress-free. And how to feel love from the heart with an intensity few have ever experienced. Listen, it's time that you stop wishing and grab something that's proven to work. You can have the body and be the person you've always wanted to be. It's here, it's now, and it's Subliminal Health and Fitness.